Exceptional, really very good hostel. Great overall hostel, not the most social. I had a wonderful time at this hostel. It was close to the subway coming from the airport first off. Second, it was super clean and I loved the privacy curtains and personal chargers in each cubicle. Always comes in handy. The cafe downstairs is clutch, but the only downside is it's the only place to socialize and so it's a bit difficult to meet others here. Ended spending time at a different hostel to meet others. Lol. The location otherwise is great for walking to Khao San as well as close to some temples. Would stay again. I only stayed one night. The location is good, staff are friendly, it's clean. 100% recommend for backpackers. Stayed here for 4 nights. Staff are friendly and quiet and quality dormitory. Perfect location which is near to Khao San Road. Lovely, very new, clean and comfortable bed. The staff were helpful and friendly. I really enjoyed my stay there. Will be back again. Great hostel, very clean, nice staff. I recommended this hostel 100%, super clean, great customer service, very comfortable, great location. Great hostel. The hostel was clean and comfortable. The cafe in the lobby is great for working and the staff is friendly. You can reach the palace in a couple of what's in walking distance. Ka-osan ni chikai seketsu nagesudo hausu. I stayed 2 nights at this hostel. It is about 15 minutes away from Kaizen Road. The room and facility were really clean and organized, staff was really kind. I had really good time there. There was a free water machine, body wash and shampoo, free washing machine and dryer, there. I had really good time there. Thank you for your kindness and help. Best hostel. Best in Bangkok. Love from Bangladesh. Value price, great hotel and service, but that was too hard. Was a bit noisy during morning time but close to Khao Road. Exceptional, very clean. Good, very good, clean, best receptionist. Free laundry. My goodness. I loved it. The hotel is very perfect and amazing. 50. I was booking mixed dorm, room and bathroom is very fucking clean. I love it. Aircon is very freshing all the time and there have towel also. They are really kind, good, friendly and helpfully. Next time, I will booking this hotel again. That's my best, I love it. P.S. If you have car. So, no worry, you can parking at opposite of hotel and temple. All the day, only 50 baht. Exceptional. Well, for a solo traveler this place is definitely worthwhile. The facility itself is modern. The capsule bed is comfy. I stayed for 1 night and absolutely loved it. New, clean, cheap, great location and helpful and friendly staff. It's all in good condition, new and exactly the same from photos on the internet. Great location with walking distance to main road, to the Grand Palace area and surrounded with authentic local restaurants. Staff are really helpful and full of service mind. I will really stay here again. Very aesthetic. My stay was lovely and the cafe on the ground floor was so useful for late night work. The only thing I didn't like was the noisy door lock system. It always woke me up. Perfect. Room is cool, staffs are nice, and it is 5 minutes walking distance from Kaizen Road. So it is quite, but you can go to Kaizen Road easily. If you guys looking for some music bar, go to Happy Bar. I'll visit here next time too.